Yes.
Alright, y'all, welcome back to the Domino 7 show.
I'll never have anything quite like a moose. You never heard the song before?
Nah.
Alright, so it's one of those songs, there's the chorus and then people make up their own verses.
So you made your own one.
So yeah, well, I have my own verse, of course.
Okay,
And my verse goes, now I am a sailor, I've traveled the seas, and I have drunk plenty wine in the navies. I've had gallons of brandy and barrels of rum, but nothing goes back like a shot of moose. Come on, moose. I like it.
Okay, I like that.
It's a very vulgar song.
You're on the Domino 7 show.
Real vulgar.
Yes, exactly.
You're on the Domino 7 show.
I'm sorry?
You're on the Domino 7 show.
I'm on the what show?
The Domino 7 show.
Domino 7 show. Hello, Domino 7.
Yeah, that's my name. That's what they call me.
Alright, personally, I go Domino 3, so it's fine, but I'll do 7 as well.
Alright.
I think it becomes an orgy, doesn't it?
Orgy, the band?
Domino orgy, exactly, yes.
Oh, that's Bobby on the phone. What's up, Bobby? Oh, you're here? Come on in.
Hold on, have you seen the
Oh, you're in the building. Okay. I say Mel. Bobby just made it.
Nice.
I'm about to go meet him. So say I'll be right here.
Sure. Yeah,
Hey, Bobby. You in line right now? Okay, about to come meet you. All right. All right. Bye. All right. All right, folks. I'll be right back after these messages. I'm about to go meet Bobby by the ticket line. So y'all. All right. Well, wait a minute. Before I go, there must be famous people here. Oh, it's the VIPs. I ain't no VIP. I ain't gonna waste my time for no VIP. They sign autographs. That's where they have performances right here. Okay. I'm about to go find Bobby right now. Kristen not here. Unfortunately, Kristen not here. I'm about to say, how do I get out? But I know how to get out. Let's go meet Bobby by the ticket line. All right. Oh, I like that music. Oh, look at that.
It's probably already full.
All right.
Come on, yeah.
All right, see y'all, yeah? All right, so anyway, let's go meet Bobby by the ticket line, okay? It's all secretly taken. All right, so we gonna find Heath, no, not Heath, Bobby, okay? Trying to move. Oh, sorry, but I need to know where to go. Oh, how do I get out? Oh, this way. All right, hello. All right, I got my wrist already. All right. All right. It's gonna be a long line. Let's go find Bobby. How y'all doing? Welcome to New Orleans. All right. Oh, it's a long line. Oh, Bobby here. Oh, here he is right here. Let's go find him. Hey, what's happening, Bob? Oh, I met a few YouTubers. Oh, you gonna beat Randy?
Great.
All right, so how's everything with your buddy?
Pretty good, thank you. How about you?
Oh, your voice kind of changing a little.
Oh, I'm fine, really. I'm sorry.
Okay, I was wondering, you know.
Yeah.
All right, so anyway, Bobby's here, everybody.
Hi, how you doing?
All right, you get to meet Randy.
Great, yeah.
But unfortunately, Kristen and Allie not here. They're both sick.
Yeah, it's no problem. Yeah.
So if Kristen was watching right now, what you'll tell her?
Hi, how you doing?
Okay. All right. Oh, that so somebody I saw looks familiar. Okay, so. All right. All right. So anyway, I'll be right back after these messages, and I'll y'all go nowhere. Okay. All right.